Hello. Today we're going to talk about Corgi Factory on the Corgi Studio, staking those crooked NFTs. You're here with your boy Sweeper. Let's do this together. Okay, so first things first, we go to old Corgi Studio here. We scroll all the way to the down to the bottom. Click on start. So this is on mobile. So I've had a couple people with some issues on the mobile because it is 5 collections that you're able to stake. On mobile, it is a little bit more convoluted. There's just more stuff going on, but that's okay. So next step, we want to connect our wallet. I'm just using the crypto.com wallet. Okay, then you see this convoluted part right here, but in the middle you see Crooked Cronos. Just click on that, and then I'm gonna stake some meerkats today, some Crooked Cronos Club. So I'm just gonna click on that, and then we scroll all the way to the bottom and we click on batch deposit, and we click on the little guys that we want to stake here. So I'm gonna stake that guy right there. All right, deposit. The approval comes up, and 0.22 crow. Let's confirm. Okay, that's all there is to it. Very easy. Stakes it right into the DApp, right into the platform, and then you're set. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Thank you for joining me, and have yourself an excellent holiday season this year. Enjoy some time with your family, and spread that Christmas cheer, you know? We are deposited now. Just waiting for that final confirmation. And we are good. Perfect. Thank you. Appreciate your time. Crooked Collection, minting now on Crosea. Just click on the drop section. Scroll a little bit down there, about halfway through, and then you got your coyotes, your meerkats, your elephants, and your caribous are still currently minting right now. So definitely check that out. Thank you. Have yourself a good day.